The Middle East Media Research Institute has long been regarded in Muslim countries as a partisan and selective platform that pushes Israel and anti-Muslim narratives under the guise of academic research. Co-founded by former Israel military intelligence officer Yigal Carmen, Memory has a history of cherry-picking inflammatory content from Muslim media to portray Islamic societies as inherently extremist. Former CIA official Vincent Canestraro once described Memory as propagandist for the extreme right of Likud, Israel's hardline ruling party. Similarly, renowned academies such as John Gall and journalists like Leila Lalami have criticized Memory for the ideological bias and misleading translations. Now, with the launch of a Balochistan-centric project, Memory is expanding its operational focus to support Indian narrative against Pakistan under the cover of scholarly analysis. This development is not a coincidence but a part of a broader Indo-Israel information warfare strategy, with India's persistent hostility towards Pakistan and Israel increasing regional footprint, both states working jointly to hit soft security disruption inside Pakistan, particularly in provinces like Balochistan, where CPEC investments and regional security dynamics converge. The Indo-Israel hybrid war doctrine is no longer theoretical, it is being executed in real time through digital fronts like Memory and fake actors like Mir Yar Baloch. Mir Yar Baloch account's social media footprint is aligned with Indian handles. This account is followed almost exclusively by Indians account, many of which are both intelligence-linked pseudonyms. Moreover, his posts regularly mirror the narratives promoted by Indian Research and Analysis Wing (RAW) and support the banned Balochistan Liberation Army (BLA). This RAW operated account is being quoted by Indian media when they reported on Balochistan. This account is not an organic voice but rather a fabricated identity operated by Indian intelligence to mislead international opinion and sow unrest. This is digital warfare. These fake accounts masked as activists are being used to build momentum for separatist movements that have little or no grassroots support inside Pakistan. While foreign powers elevate artificial voices like Mir Yar Baloch, genuine Baloch civil society leaders continue to call for development, inclusion and dialogue within the framework of the Pakistani state. The people of Balochistan want education, jobs and peace, not separatism. Information warfare is now being conducted through think tank, Twitter handles and fake activism.